Hey guys, it's Monday, March the 4th. And I just want to say the power of the internet is amazing. That last video was on the internet for less than an hour and I have an answer. I am waiting on a tow truck right now that's taking me to a shop that is going to allow me to stay in it. And he has an engine in stock if it needs it. He instantly was confident, like, yeah, we got you, no worries. Huge shout out to Desert Van Life. You're a savior. Thank you so much. Let's get this show on the road. Let's get this thing towed over to a shop. How's it going, man? Chris.
Is this thing still drive or no?
No.
No? Yeah, do me a favor, hold on for a second. I'm just going to move a couple so you can put them by the door so I don't have to fuck with it tomorrow.
100% it's a crank?
100%.
I'm already impressed with Mike. And if he pulls off what he said he's going to do tomorrow, I'm going to be even more impressed. He has a van that has a motor in it sitting here. He is going to tomorrow pull the engine out of this van, pull the engine out of that other van, put the engine out of that other van in this van, and he said, I will be driving out of here by 6 o'clock tomorrow. I don't know if I even believe it, but let's see how it goes. Holy shit, an engine swap in just several hours? Wow. As soon as I pulled in, I kind of assumed Mike was the Sprinter guy. There is one right here, one right there, one right there, one right here. There's another one back in behind there. I see two more on the other side of that wrecker. Oh wait, if you look close, this box truck is a Sprinter. There's another one right there. And there's a T1N engine in here. And another one. I think he said this is one right here into this tarp. I think that's one. There's one. Ooh, look at this one. It blew it out the side. I think this is the guy. I think I found myself in the right place. He also said he does body work too. So this is like one-stop shop for a van. There you go, straight. Ready? Uno. Ready? You ready? Let's set this. There you go. 2 minutes in, he's got one headlight out and the grill off. This is already going faster than I expected. Killing it.
Edgar, please. Go.
One second.
Okay, vamos.
37 minutes. Excuse me. 54 minutes. $54 minutes, and both of them are out. Out with the old, in with the new. New to me. These guys are fast.
Stop. Transmission. Up.
Edgar.
Yes.
So then here. Transmission needs to go that way.
Mike, please, jack the transmission down.
Just like any other craftsman, it's impressive to watch somebody who's good at their trade and knows what they're doing work, because it's just so much faster than the average person.
Is there someone else here?
You'll have it probably cranking within 3 hours, won't you?
It would run in literally less than 30 minutes.
I want to blow my nose, but I don't want to touch my face.
So you think you can hang with a race car crew?
I want to be part of a rally team.
I was gonna say, it kind of looks like it.
And so in Ireland, there's a guy called Kieran O'Neill. So when I was an apprentice, I think a page just showed up and drunk beer and talked about whole. I mean, if you didn't bring your fucking feelings to that, I mean, these boys would just rip you apart. Like, I mean, like we're talking like the first time you showed a little bit of emotion or a little bit of something, they fucking got you. I mean,
It makes sense. This has been insanely fast from start to finish already. Like, there's another engine set in there already.
that one better, but it's not. We could try to. At least it's one piece. Yours is multiple pieces. This one's multiple pieces. It's like.
I think it breaks these things, right?
Yeah. No. No.
Yeah, let's see.
idling.
Ask him because of curiosity. So this is AC condenser. We got intercooler and then radiator.
Yep.
What are these two lines?
That's your power steering cooler. So you have here. So this basically goes down here, down in there, and then this one goes to the reservoir. With the vibrations of the motor, this one shakes loose all the time. So this clamp here is the one that actually shook loose.
Okay.
Hey, Garrett, did you put
I'm impressed at how fast this is going. It's almost back together.
Why not? Go.
Less than 3 hours. They got it out and back in.
I'll fix that for you too before you leave.
Oh, it'd be awesome. I don't know if it only needs a handle or if it needs something else done to it.
Yeah, that's part of your door front. That's the door panel.
But the handle's right here. So yes, the engine was in and running in less than 3 hours, but you still have to program injectors, test drive. You have a lot of things left to do. I didn't film that very well, but after the first test drive, we felt a sticky EGR valve. So he yanked it out, put a brand new one in it. We drove it again. He said, I'm satisfied with it for right now. He said, you will have to bring it back. I do know that. And from my experience, anytime I know of any of my friends who've had engines or transmissions replaced, usually you got to bring them back a couple of times to get them all dialed in. Yes, sir. That's crazy. Less than 5.5 hours. She's purring. And he says that I'm safe to drive it up the mountain. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Well, where Mike went. Mike, quit running away.
One more time. Yes,
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
So it is now Saturday the 16th. I have been to Breckenridge and hiked to the top. I've done Dew Tour. We've had a snow day in Denver, and all of that was thanks to Mike. If I was still waiting on Linden, I would not have even made it to the shop yet. That was going to be a big problem. Denver Metro was already getting on to me for the parking lot that I was in, blah, 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 blah. You guys saw that in the last video. If you watched it, if not, click on that video. Long story short, there's a check engine code for injector number 4, and he was like, I'm not even going to fool with it. I'm just going to yank it, and we're going to replace it and go from there. He did tell me at the start of this experience that there's probably going to be a few times that I got to come down here and let him do whatever tinkering with it to get it dialed in. He also called me the day after I got all the way up in the mountains. He was like, hey, do me a favor and don't turn your AC on because we forgot to charge it, and remind me when you get here so that we can charge it when you get here. So I'm back down here today to take care of those few things. The van's been running great otherwise. Yeah, like even the injector problem hasn't really been a problem. It's been running fine. So I'm pleased. I'm very pleased with the way that he has handled the whole interaction from start to finish. He has been very fast, very professional, and just, you know, 100% honest and straightforward. And I feel like he's actually being genuine. So let's get the day started. Came back with 2 codes, glow plug module and injector number 4. He's like, done, yanking them both. So started to get the headlight off. Pretty quick. It's like you know these vans.
That bolt's gonna break.
Motherfucker.
That bolt's gonna break. you're gonna be stuck here.
I know that this is gonna break. Like I literally know it's gonna break.
Shit.
It's up to you. I mean, but you're stuck. If I break this, you're stuck. It's like that. There's no putting it back together. I have to we have to go and start drilling and stuff. It's gonna be done. So I don't want to leave you stuck over the weekend.
I was gonna say, you want to put it back together and then break it on what, Monday, Tuesday? What day do you want to break it?
Tuesday, but I have a full day for Monday. But it's like literally, I can promise you it's gonna break. Like I'm fucking 100%.
He's the man. All right, let's put it back together so that I'm not stuck, and then I'll see you Tuesday. Because I don't really want to sit here until Tuesday if I don't have to.
No, and that's why I'm saying it.
All right, it's now Tuesday the 19th, and I'm back out here at Colorado Fleet Works. Saturday, when Mike put a wrench on the injector, he was like, it's gonna break the bolt. I feel like it's gonna break the bolt. So here we are, I'm back, and Edgar has already got the bolt out. Have you got the injector out too?
Yes. Yeah, one moment.
Ah, yes. So I'm not gonna be stuck here. Now, is the injector gonna come out easy, or is the injector gonna be stuck?
Yes.
That's the problem. So far, so good. Let's hope this turns into an easy day. Easy day.
Easy day.
Oh, it's spinning. And if it's spinning, it comes out. Oh. Look at this. Hell yes. That was nowhere near as bad as we were worried about. It's actually gonna be pretty fast. Just like the rest of this whole process. Now, it could have been worse. That was what he was worried about. He was worried, is it going to be stuck and we're gonna have to, he's like, dude, we've had to pull a whole engine because an injector was stuck in a way that we can't get in there with a puller and blah, blah. Luckily, that was, fingers crossed, the rest of this process is that easy. Less than an hour, it's back in running. He's telling me to take it for a test drive. Let's go drive it. Again, everything they've done so far has been super impressive with the speed. They are fast for sure. She's peppy. Don't see any smoke or anything coming out the tailpipe. She feels good. You know, at the end of the day,